Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 17th, Polynomials, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Obtain all the zeros means factors, of the polynomial fx equals to 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are root of 5 by 3 and minus root of 5 by 3, means here x raised to 4 means there would be 4 factors. Out of these, 2 are these two. Now we have to find the remaining ones. Options given are 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. So check options 1 minus 1 0 by inputting them in fx. How? Just put the values and you will get the answers. No need of solving all this. Okay. So f of 1 equals to 3 1 raised to 4 plus 6 1 cube minus 2 1 square minus 10 1 minus 5 equals to minus 8. It should be 0. If these are the factors, then fx should be 0. Remainder theorem, right? So f of minus 1 0. Yeah, it's coming out to be. F of 0, it's minus 1. It's not coming out to be 0. So f of minus 1 is a factor, but 1 is not a factor and 0 is not a factor. So the two factors would be, check what are the options, only minus 1 minus 1. So these are the two remaining factors. Always remember the basic remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is, if you input the factors in this expression, the answer should be 0. That is the basic requirement of remainder theorem. Next is solve. There are two sub questions to it. We'll solve them one by one. First, if px and gx are two polynomials with gx not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px equals to gx into qx plus rx, where degree of rx is greater than the degree of gx. Is it true or false? This is a normal form which we write. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is as simple as that. So let's start. See here, what is the question? Understand that first. The question is not based on anything above. The question is only here. Degree of rx means the remainder is greater than the degree of gx. That is the gx is one of the polynomial. Means the degree of the remainder is greater than the degree of the polynomial. Or you can say the divisor. In this case, divisor or quotient, it will be divisor only. Divisor in this case. Remainder is greater than the divisor. That's what the question is. Let's see that. Now this is trial and error. We have to go on assuming and assuming. Let px equals to x raised to 4. Gx equals to x square. Now x raised to 4 equals to x square into qx plus rx. Okay. Then what? Now see this. X raised to 4 on left side, and on the right side x square into, now what can qx be? Qx can be maximum, it can be x square. Why? Because if it is x cube, then what happens? X cube means it becomes x raised to 5. So this is greater than x raised to 4, it is not possible. So qx can be maximum x square. Okay, done. Qx is x square maximum. Now regarding rx, what can be rx? Rx can either be 0 or rx can be x raised to 4 maximum, right? X. So the rx degree of rx can be what? It can be 0, right? Means x raised to 0. Then also it is constant. So r can be 0, rx can be 0 or degree 4. Anything is possible. Both the things are possible. See here, rx can be 0. We are not talking only of degree. But what is the question asked? Where the degree of rx is greater than the degree of gx, means compulsorily it is greater than. Rx can be 0 or degree 4. Question says degree of rx should compulsorily be greater than the degree of gx. So that is not the case. It is 0 also. So that's why it is false. Next, when 4x raised to 5 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 8 is divided by 4x square plus 2x plus 1, then the degree of remainder is 1. That is true or false, we have to find out. So here it's simple division, we have to do it. Firstly, always check whether the degrees of means powers of x are in linear fashion. If not, arrange them. So 4x raised to 5, then x raised to 4 is there, is it there? No. So arrange it now. 4x raised to 5 plus 0x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 8. See here, after 2x square there is no x, so 0x plus 8. Okay, here in divisor 4x square plus 2x plus 1, yeah, all are there, so keep with them as it is. So first with first it becomes x cube, and then 4x raised to 5, multiply this whole term with x cube. 4x raised to 5 plus 2x raised to 4 plus x cube, minus minus minus, solve this, you get minus 2x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square. Then first with first it is minus 1 upon 2x square, multiplication, so you get minus 2x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 1 upon 2 x square, then plus, change the signs, you get 3x cube plus 5 upon 2 x square plus 0x. Then first with first you get 3x, multiply with 3 upon 4x, right? See here, why are we multiplying this? We have to find a remainder, that's our target. So 3 upon 4 into 4, you get 3x cube plus multiplication, then 3 upon 2 x square plus 3 upon 4x, then change the signs, you get what remains, x square minus 3 upon 4x plus 8, right? So again first with first you get 1 upon 4 multiplied with 1 upon 4, you get x square plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 4, change the signs, x square goes, what remains, solve this now, minus 3 upon 4x minus 1 upon 2x. So if you solve this, you will get minus 5 upon 2x plus 31 upon 4x, only 31 upon 4. So this is the remainder. What is the degree of this remainder? Degree means the highest power of x, that is 1. So remainder equals to 1 degree. So what is asked? The degree of the remainder is 1. So true. This is true. Okay. Find the roots of ax square plus bx plus 6 if the polynomial x raised to 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x square plus 1. See the target, what have you to do? See here, this full expression x raised to 4 plus x cube plus blah 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 is divisible by x square plus 1. It's given, it's exactly divisible. It means from this you can see that by remainder, whatever remainder will be there, that should be 0, and that once you get the values of a and b, then those you can input it in ax square plus bx plus c, right? So first divide this with x square plus 1. Before that, check if the powers of x are in the linear fashion, means fx equals to x raised to 4 plus x cube, there x square ax b means x is in the linear fashion. In divisor now, x square plus 1 directly. So is there any x? No, we have to put it. So it becomes x square plus 0x plus 1. So now divide it. So x raised to 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b divided by x square plus 0x plus 1, right? Okay, now first with first, same logic as earlier problems. So x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus x square, then minus minus minus, x cube plus 7x square plus ax, then again first with first, x cube plus 0x square plus x, then minus minus minus. Okay, this division you might be knowing by now. So 7x square plus a minus 1 into x plus b, right? This b comes down now. Again first with first, then 7x square plus 0x plus 7, right? So signs change, it becomes a minus 1, see this, a minus 1 into x plus b minus 7. Now this is the remainder, but it's exactly divisible, so remainder is 0. So a minus 1 equals to 0 and b minus 7 equals to 0. A equals to 1 and b equals to 7. So now we'll name this as gx. So gx equals to what? Ax square plus bx plus 6. Okay. Now a you know 1 and b you know 7. So equation is x square plus 7x plus 6. Now it's easy. 7x factorization, 6 1 the 6, last first and last multiplication and middle addition, 6 1 the 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 6. So solve this, x plus 6, x common, here again x plus 6, same, bring it over here, and plus 1. So therefore the factors are x plus 1 into x plus 6. we have to find the roots of this. Roots means what? We have to equate this to 0. So x minus 1 into x plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore either not x minus 1, x plus 1. X plus 1 into x plus 6 equals to 0. It means what? Either x plus 1 equals to 0 or x plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore either x equals to minus 1 or x equals to minus 6. So minus 1 comma minus 6, right, are the values of x. That's what is required. Find the roots. The roots are minus 1 and minus 6. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.